Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to introduce to you how to make the homemade noodles at my kitchen. You are ready? So I am going to share my version. It's so delicious, also easy to make. So beginning I will show you my small noodles machine. Let's start. Guys, look at the our manual noodles machine. This is the one I am going to make noodles. Easy to open and close. Here have a 10 to 12 holes. Very simple machines. So let's look at our ingredient of the noodles. 400 grams of the all-purpose flour, 4 eggs. We have 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, oils. That's all our ingredients. So I'm going to make the hole just like this. So I'm going to add couple of egg, and salt, cornstarch, Alright, this is all the ingredients. 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, half teaspoon garlic powder. So this is all the ingredients. Now we have to mix everything together. Honey. Now we have to mix everything together. Alright, now keep 30 minutes for marinate. So this is our next ingredient. We have a chopped garlic, we have a black pepper, 1 tablespoon, we have a carrot, we have a broccoli, a white spring onion, a green spring onion. That is all the ingredients. So we're going to now start our cooking. Alright guys, now all the preparation done. Now ready to cook. Let's start our cook. Add some more oil. So we're starting our cooking. Beginning chopped garlic. Our broccoli. Okay, now keep it 3 to 4 minutes. Alright. Our white spring onion, mix everything, and add also green spring onion. Same time we are going to add some kind black pepper. salt to taste. Hot pepper. Mix properly. Now cooking is done. Close our pepper. Go back to now next stage. Add some more oil. Our chicken. It is another 5 to 15. Alright guys, our chicken already done. Now I want to add all the vegetables in. Now our final step to go. Close our cooker. Now our dough is ready. Wow. Now I'm going to start our noodles. Alright. Now we are going to start our noodles. Look at our noodles hand machines. This is our noodles. Wow, look at that. Our noodles, guys. Yes, almost done. Guys, this is the final noodles. Look at this. Look at this, our noodles. Now I'm going to mix into the chicken. Guys, I'm not going to make so much heat because please everything boiled properly before going to have it here. Perfect. Look at this. Beautiful homemade noodles. Hi guys, I'm going to taste now. Cheers. I will taste first of all our homemade noodles. Perfect chicken noodles. Wow. Wow man, what a flavor. Awesome. I guarantee better than restaurant. Guys, actually very delicious. Also very healthy. No chemical, no anything. Healthy. Okay guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Thanks to everybody. See you next video. Bye bye.